Hey guys, I'm excited to share with you I'm getting ready for an epic photography adventure in Banff National Park. Snow-capped peaks, glowing pink at sunrise, frozen lakes like sheets of crystal, and the kind of pristine winter wonderland that every landscape photographer dreams of capturing. That's what's waiting for me in Banff National Park. And in these extreme conditions, one, getting the shot means having the right gear and having quick access to them. And secondly, it's important to protect your valuable equipment in temperatures well below freezing. So before we head to those stunning mountains, I want to show you what gear I'm carrying for this trip and how I'm organizing and packing them into my ThinkTank bags. Today I'm packing with the BackLight 18 liter and the Airport Advantage XT bags, and I'll show you exactly why these bags are perfect for landscape photography adventures. Over the last 20 years, I have owned several iterations of the ThinkTank photo camera bags, including the Airport rollers and the BackLight backpacks, including the 26 liter and 18 liter variants. And I honestly love using them. So here's a closer look at these bags for you. So let's start with what I consider the perfect day pack for landscape photography, the ThinkTank BackLight 18 liter. As I got older, I decided at some point to reduce the size of my backpack to the 18 liter version, as it's about the maximum size I enjoy carry on my back these days. But don't let its size fool you. BackLight 18 liter is designed to carry all that you want full day of photography. So in the main compartment, you've got this customizable divider system. I'll show you exactly how I'm organizing my gear in the bag in a minute, but first let me show you the bag itself. So this is the main compartment with all these dividers, and you can customize it the way you want. I usually carry my GFX system in this camera bag. So I usually carry one camera body, two lenses, and all my accessories like my memory cards, all the cables that I need for quick access and to charge my camera while in the field, and filters and the like. So all the access that I would really need goes into this camera backpack, and the accessories goes into these pockets out here. You have two pockets for organizing your memory cards and your cables and the like. And all these bags come with a nice rain cover to protect your gear from the elements. And the zips are so well made. They're so smooth. And let me show you the back support. The back support is fantastic, just the right way against your back, and keeps the bag comfy and cozy way against your back, so you don't develop any back pain. So it's also cushioned, so it's very comfortable, and the whole mesh system makes it very breathable as well. So like I mentioned, there's a dedicated sleeve for carrying up to a 13-inch laptop and a full-size tablet. Since I don't have a 13-inch laptop any longer, I usually carry my laptop in the Airport roller, but if I'm carrying my iPad, I'll stick it in this pocket. But it's also very useful to carry documents like visa papers and things, anything else that you might need for your travels. I usually also end up keeping my passport here in the smaller pocket out here. It's good for organizing some layers and any other, like a few snacks and things that you would need for a day trip. And then you have another pocket here, also very useful for keeping things at some filters and accessories and those kind of things. So it varies what I use these backpacks depending on the trip that I'm going for. But yeah, just having these pockets makes it very convenient, and I never run out of space. Honestly, the organization is fantastic. And you also have a small pocket here, quick access when I'm traveling. So, and you also have these pockets. I usually end up keeping a water bottle on one side and my tripod on the other. Also have these loops to secure whatever you're keeping in these side pockets here. So you get 5 liters of extra storage in these front pockets. So there's room for extra layer, snacks, and other essentials that you need for a full day of shooting. When you're shooting landscapes, weather protection isn't optional, it's essential. ThinkTank understands this. Include rain cover deploys quickly when weather turns. The bag itself is already built to handle tough conditions. The back panel isn't just about access, it's got serious support built in. These contoured shoulder straps, the adjustable waist belt, and the chest strap work together to distribute weight evenly, which is crucial when you're hiking to those sunrise locations. Now let me show you exactly how I'm packing this bag for my Banff trip. So now let me just show you how exactly I go about packing my BackLight 18-liter backpack. So let's start with the main compartment. So as I mentioned earlier, the bag has rear access to the camera computer. It's good because that way, when you sit this bag down on the floor, the part that's going to be contacting your back as you carry it is never going to get dirty because it's the front of the bag that gets dirty if at all. So I need to customize it a little bit. Should now fit my camera and lens comfortably. My GFX 100 Mark II and the GF 4500 f4 lens safely tucked away. That's my primary kit for my photography. So I have a medium format camera and my lens. And this is my second wide angle zoom, which is the 20 to 35 f4. That gets neatly tucked away there. And as you can see, I still have a lot of space for putting other accessories. And I just carry these along anyway in case I need some additional padding or something. So then I'll put away my Peak Design strap. But here I have a small blower that I always carry with me. I have this lens caps. I have this memory card case that goes into one of these pockets out here. I have a spare memory card. It goes in here nicely. I have this Allen key for my Peak Design capture clip, which goes here. So that's for the back of the camera. So and then I'll close it away. I still have a lot of space if I need to add some more accessories. And these items, soft cloth to keep my camera gear clean in case it gets some water or dust or mud on it, I can wipe it away. So that goes in here. I can also put in my charging brick out here. I still have this huge space for other things like my Zeiss lens cleaning kit that gets tucked away here. I have a pen for filling up all those forms when you're traveling on the plane, maybe, or any immigration or customs forms. Another spare cloth, cleaning cloth. Then I have this mini tripod that I like to carry on because usually I use this for low-level shots, or if I want to just mount my Osmo Pocket 3 somewhere, shoot some video of myself. And then especially when I'm traveling solo, this comes quite handy. So let's go side. That goes there in the side pocket. So most of my kit has gone away here, which I required, as you can see. And a few other things like my ball head, all that I usually carry in my check-in baggage. I don't carry it here in this bag per se while I'm traveling. But once I reach my destination, adding it into this bag and carrying it in this bag for quick access for my photography. So there you have it, folks. That's my typical gear for my day pack. And then next we'll have a look at what goes into the airport roller bag. Now let's talk about how I'm carrying all my video gear for this trip. Here comes the Airport Advantage XT roller case. And this bag solves one of the biggest challenges for traveling photographers: airline restrictions. First thing you'll notice when you pick up this bag is how incredibly light it is. It's just 7.5 pounds or 3.4 kilograms. That's a game changer because every pound saved on the bag itself means an extra pound of gear you can pack while staying under airline weight limits. ThinkTank has really thought about discretion here. Look at the two-tone fabric. It's professional and stylish, but it doesn't scream expensive camera gear inside. When you're traveling with thousands of dollars worth of equipment, that's important. Let's have a look at what this bag can hold. As you can see, it's a fairly big bag. It can carry a lot of gear. It can easily carry 2 or 3 camera bodies and quite a few lenses. And you have a couple of pockets here for accessories. Quite similar in layout like the backpack, but they're much larger in size, so you can actually fit a lot more accessories in here. So these can be all customized to the way you like it. So I'm going to definitely be customizing this bag to carry my... So as in, I'm just going to be carrying one camera body and a couple of lenses for my video gear. I can also fit in my drone. I can also fit in my Insta360, Osmo Pocket 3, pretty much everything that I carry for this YouTube channel. So in the front, you have these nice pockets here, quite a large pocket here to have extra set of clothes, and you have a sleeve. It's a 17-inch laptop sleeve, so this is where I carry my 17-inch laptop, and so I can avoid carrying that weight on my back. So that's why I love the combination of these two bags, because I use the backpack for my photography and all the things that I really need when I'm out for a particular shoot or particular segment of a day. Easily accessible, and it's never too far away from where I am. So that's why I love this combination of the BackLight 18-liter and Airport Roller series. This particular bag comes with 2 wheels. It's just much easier to maneuver when you're walking through airports. These 2 wheels are nice and large, so you have fairly smooth carriage, but having 4 wheels just makes it easier, and you can carry it in various positions, and it's a lot more maneuverable. So the wheels are very smooth. You have another small pocket here to carry some essentials, maybe like some medication or something which you need access to. And here at the back, you have the handle nicely tucked away in this cover. Next electric handle. It's pretty comfortable and you can adjust to various heights. More action, you press this button out here to extend. Very good. Very well built. So this has 2 handles. It also makes picking up this bag and putting away in your car a lot easier, or even if you want to reach that overhead bin in the airplane. And they're really built to last. As I told you, I've used this for over 20 years, the various models. Now let's see how much equipment we can fit inside the XT Advantage. I've laid out all my video gear here. I have the Canon R5C. This is going to be my primary camera for capturing video on this trip. And I have the Canon 24-105 f2.8 LZ USM lens, which is going to be the workhorse for the trip. Then I also have the Canon RF35 f1.8 lens, which is going to be primarily I'm going to be using it on a gimbal. And I also have the Canon EF to RF adapter, if in case I plan to use any of my old EF lenses and adapt it to my Canon R5C. And I'll also be taking wireless mics and along with the charging case. So it is a set of 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Then on-camera mic come in handy if I'm close by, but if I'm further away from the camera, I'll use the wireless mics. And very important piece of my kit. This has definitely become a very important part of my kit in the last few months. This is the V-mount battery from Small Rig, the 99 watt-hour battery. It's become invaluable to me because it keeps all my equipment charged and ready to go. And this is the Small Rig V-mount battery mount. It goes to the bottom of the camera and allows me to rig up my V-mount battery, because any of my previous videos you know that I currently use the DJI Air 3 drone, and so this is the whole combination with the controller and 2 spare batteries on the charging case. So that's my kit for the aerial photography and videography, and a few filters: a UV filter, circular polarizer, and a neutral density filter. You can use them for photography as well as for video. This is the DJI RS3 Mini with its mini tripod. So this is going to be doing gimbal duty for this trip. So this is the plan, and let's see if we can get how much of this we can get into this. A lot of dividers, so definitely need some customization for my needs. Yep, let's do that. There you go. Still have some space out here, so you can put back the divider. A space for one more lens, probably could take this one, the 35mm. Narrow slot, there's a lot of things you can do here. You can drop this. I'll even drop the mic. Yep. Let me put these away here. Right place for my V-pound battery. Here. Yep, that's good. Some other lenses out here. This here. So I can put another lens inside here. So, wow, there's a couple of items left out, but there you have, folks. Most of my gear in the Airport Advantage XT bag. As I still haven't put my laptop inside. I'll be putting my 15-inch laptop in here, and another layer of clothing, probably an entire set of clothing for safety's sake in this space. So that's why I'll be packing my gear for my Banff trip. What I love about using both the BackLight 18L and the Airport Advantage XT is how well they complement each other. The combination allows me to get all my gear to the location safely and legally, and then the backpack becomes my daily shooting bag with the roller, usually sitting in my rental car with additional equipment I might need for photography or if I need to shoot some video. ThinkTank has really thought through what photographers need in the field, and I'm excited to put these bags through their paces in Banff. If you're interested in either of these bags, I've got a special link in the description that will help you save on your purchase. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and leave a comment letting me know what you want to see me shoot out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.